I now have Windows 11 running in my virtual box. I downloaded an ISO file for like other 64-bit, and I have the, it was difficult at first. At first it wouldn't work. When I set the virtual box up and allocated hardware to it, I slid all of the sliders all the way to the edge of the green where it was about to go into the orange or the red, as much as was possible without getting into stuff VirtualBox doesn't recommend. And give at Windows 11 as much as possible of everything. And I had about 240 some gigabytes left of my storage, and I gave it a little over 210 to my virtual box here. And at first it wasn't working, and it basically what I think it did when it says there's some other options it could try, and I was like, well, try that then. And it, I didn't quite understand it, but I gave it a shot. It says use a disk, and then it says choose a disk, and I was able to click the same ISO file that was in the Windows 10 File Explorer down there, and I just gave it a try, and it took a long time with a long loading bar and a Windows blue like this screen in the background, and then it said installing with a black background. So I think what it did was it made a pretend physical disk within itself, I think, and then mounted from that. And it worked. It took longer, but it worked. So, yeah, I'm definitely, no thanks. I'm definitely, I'm going to start experimenting. What I need to do is get Adobe stuff to run out of Windows 11 on the VirtualBox. And I've heard that it can be done, but that it's a pain in the butt to get it going. Because I need that for school, I have to have it, so I have a few more semesters because I have to go part-time. But, so I can't, like, use any of the free and lower-cost softwares that you can replace it with. I have to use Adobe. So, anyway, I will update how that goes. But at least we have Windows 11. If you have enough power, but it still isn't compatible, you can run Windows 11 in the VirtualBox. You need to download an ISO file from Windows, and it will work.